Monday brought almost perfect holiday weather to much of South Africa, but partly cloudy skies in the afternoon gave way to a few isolated thunder showers over the central and eastern interior of the country, and a particularly strong thunderstorm developed over the Tabazimbi area of Limpopo during the second half of the day. Taking a look at the futurecast now for Tuesday, we're expecting generally partly cloudy conditions once again, a bit of cloud of first along the eastern escarpment with morning fog patches in places, some light rain along the eastern coastline, and in the afternoon isolated thunder showers develop for the central and eastern parts once again. Near the western coastline, very hot and dry conditions are forecast. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning for extremely hot and uncomfortable conditions over the West Coast districts and the Cape Winelands of the Western Cape for Tuesday, and along with that, a watch has also been issued, this time for the persistence of a heat wave over the West Coast district of that province. A bit of light rain at first along the eastern coastline. Things clear up in the afternoon, 27 degrees for both Durban and Richards Bay. A few thunder showers expected over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, and we're expecting a few thunder showers as well over the central and northern parts of the Eastern Cape, while the coastline is expected to remain partly cloudy and dry. Windy conditions developing into Port Elizabeth during the afternoon hours. No rain expected along the Cape's south coast, 26 degrees for Plettenberg Bay as well as for George. Oudtshoorn, just a little bit further inland, reaches a high of 35 degrees. As we head further westwards, the temperatures continue rising. 33 for Langebaan, 35 degrees for Robertson, and 36 into Worcester. Above 40 for Vredendal in the afternoon, and Springbok seeing a high of 36 degrees as well. The interior of the Northern Cape becomes partly cloudy with a few patches of thunder showers in the afternoon and early evening. Similar for the Free State, with a slightly better chance of rain for both Bethlehem as well as Harrismith. Partly cloudy skies for the northwest with isolated storms. 32 degrees as a high for Klerksdorp as well as Potchefstroom near the Vaal River. We're expecting a few thunder showers over western and central Limpopo. No rain on the other hand across the low-veld areas. Musina in the north gets to a partly cloudy 34 degrees in the afternoon. Dry for Skukuza, but the rest of Mpumalanga is in with a chance of thunder shower activity, and isolated storms are likely to develop into Gauteng once again. Afternoon maximums peaking in the upper 20s. Windy conditions for Port Elizabeth. We see those easterlies getting up to 40 kilometers per hour and lighter winds in the forecast for Durban and Richards Bay. The extended forecast now, where thunder showers continue on Wednesday over the central and eastern parts of the country. We'll even see a few thunder showers reaching the eastern coastline. Light rain develops into George with a high of only 24. That rain clears out along the south coast on Thursday, but the wet weather continues over the eastern parts of the country.